In this video, I'm going to show you the exact way to replace any text in a PDF with Adobe Acrobat. So go to your Adobe Acrobat and open your PDF file, and then just press Ctrl F, and here you will find this find box. Now all you have to need from your PDF file, type the text you want to find and replace. In my case, I'm just typing here information. And here I'm selecting the information text because I want to replace information word, and then click on replace with, and here we have to type the new text we are going to replace. So information would be technology, for example, and then just click on replace, and here you can see my text successfully replaced. Go ahead and just click on replace next. That's how you will be able to replace all text in your PDF. After doing that, make sure to save your PDF file, and that's it.